Verse 6. Be strong and courageous.
The only thing that is required of you, be strong and courageous. The moment you are discouraged, the experience starts to fail. It now gets to be interpreted as failure because you lost courage. Meaning the more you are courageous, no matter what you go through, no matter where you fail, God is looking for one thing. Are you courageous? Are you willing to go on with me? Are you willing to continue with me? Or uzomo bheka amanxeba? That's where you start failing. Uyama wenzani? Ulimele njani? Discouragement. Your story iyaqala iba failure. But God says, I will never fail you. I will never abandon you. As long as you are courageous, as long as you want to go on. Hey, as long as you want to go with me, no matter how many times you make those mistakes, I will not abandon you. Because a courageous person, we are changing. More courageous, we are changed, we are correct. It's experience. It's experience. If we see the manager, we are vuga, tindite, and go on. Moses had anger. Moses disappointed. And still, I will never fail you. So I can't allow you to do tolagale. Still in your feet. Still in your feet. Still, you must be hidden. Go.
Be strong and courageous. For you are the one who will lead these people.
For you are the one. So as a leader, it's but be courageous. Be courageous. Let's go.
For you are the one who lead these people.
That's why when we talk about leadership, leadership is everywhere. Gako, everywhere. Have you ever seen most children why they are hit by demons? Are you aware that it's because of the parents? Okay. I will say it again. The moment there's a discouraged parent is in the house, there's failure for the children. Now you begin to reproduce that kind of a spirit in your children. We are failure. It started with a parent. Meaning that spirit ikale ngawo as the leader. Ube sezinkingeni kwavela inkinga zemali, inkinga zanzani wenzani? Ukhomba umntwana ubuso noma khuluma nawe, hayi man niyeke man. Tiredness, weariness. Now you cannot go on as a leader. Now that spirit goes to the children. Where does it come from? I'm going to give you a homework now. Ubona umntwana wakho misbehavior lelanga wena ngathi so low usathandaza usameditate check endlini kwenzakalani. Check on the anger kwenzakalani. Ubone le mimoya. Some of you, your children are here, check how many times they manifest demons. But if you go back, you check, the issue is the leader of the house, the mother, the father. They are discouraged. They have stopped acquiring this experience with God because of challenges, because of what they go through. They've given up, but abakhomba ukuthi give up. Within. Let's go.
Be courageous and strong, for you are the one who leads these
You are the one. So it means uNkulunkulu umnika two years. Be courageous, be strong before you lead. You cannot lead without being courageous and strong. Be courageous and strong, and then you will lead. Angakuhole. Waba discouraged. Khohlwa. Nemali yakho na iyaziphephukela. Iyaphi imali umuntu no discouraged. Let's go. Ngoba ngeke uqale next ngayo. Let's go.
For you are the one who lead these people to possess all the land.
We have to possess. It means to achieve a certain land. But you need to be courageous and strong. You cannot possess the land if you're discouraged. You cannot achieve the place without being encouraged. There are certain things you will never have them if you let the spirit of being courageous. Because this is what's in persistent. Persistent. It means challenge, but you must push. No matter how many times you fail. It means a courageous spirit, it drives you to go on. To go on. This is experience. Experience ayina number ukuthi ngidinga inamba ngakhe ku experience or ayina number ye spirituality. Yeah, le physically khona uyakwazi ukudrive. Una how many years of license? But lega moya ithi unenkinga ezingakho unenkinga ezingakho wafostela kizo. Ungazange unwe kizo. Let's go.
For you are the one who lead these people to possess all the land I swore to give to their ancestors. I would give
what
them.
What happened to the ancestors? They never got the land. It was a promise, but they never got the land. The issue was that their parents were discouraged. They were murmuring in the wilderness. They were complaining. They couldn't get there. Now God had to raise Joshua. Wamtshela ukuthi be courageous, be strong. Labantu ohamba nabo bangabanjalo moya wabo khokho babo. Bangakhathala, bangabalabala. Ngenzeka ningafiki. Meaning the spirit iqale kuphi bokhokho iza kuphi manje. Iqale kuphi kwabadala iza kuphi manje ebantwaneni. uNkulunkulu uvusa uJoshua for the next generation. Ukuthi ube careful nalabo bangahluleki. Ngoba bokhokho babo benzani bahluleka. Let's go.
To possess all the land I swore to their ancestors I would give them.
I will give them. It means that experience ended up failing. Ended up failing. Let's go.
Verse 7. Be strong.
Be strong.
And very courageous.
And very courageous.
Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you.
Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. For Moses' experience. Take his experience. Take his experience. Meaning every time you feel losing strength, feeling weak, remember what I did through Moses. Remember how I used him to lead the Israelites. No matter how stubborn they were. But Moses went on. Moses continued until I had to hide him. Bamfakele anger, bambalabalela, but Moses did not fail. Nanoma waba ne-anger, wenzani? One thing engazange yenze kuMoses is discouragement. That's why the journey still continued. Azange uMoses abe discouraged. Sele bamfakele anger, waqhubeka uMoses. Let's go.
Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Do not deviate from them.
Do not deviate. It means the experience of Moses is successful. Because God says, don't deviate from the instructions of Moses, not my instructions. His experience is a success. Though he's dead, but his experience will make you successful. Moses is dead, but his experience will never mislead you. Oh, Jesus. Come on, repeat that.
Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you.
I want you to check this. God does not come with a new instruction. He brings the instruction he gave to Moses. We let go Joshua. Who don't deviate from it. Let's go.
Do not deviate from them, turning either to the right or to the left.
Okay, Moses disobeyed. Moses had anger. It means Moses never turned to the right or left. But there were mistakes. But there were mistakes. But God interprets it as a straight path. No matter what happened to him, he says, hey, he was successful. Anger, disobedience, but God says, don't deviate, don't turn to the left, to the right. It means Moses continued with God. He never lost a courageous spirit. No matter what he went on.